Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you, yes you, thank you so much for coming by. This is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers as well as rideshare, gig economy, food delivery drivers to learn how to make more money, boost your income, and increase your earnings. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about a safety new feature that Lyft just launched. I just got a notification on my phone. I'm gonna go over it. And basically, it allows you as a driver of Lyft to be able to share your location with a friend and a family member. And you guys know that for Uber riders, they're allowed to, you know, I will say we, because I am also a rider. You know, I do have the Rider app as well, and I do take it frequently. We are allowed to share our locations with somebody, so that's really great. I typically don't use this, but I do have some relatives who, I'm not gonna name any names, but she shares her location every time she takes a ride with her husband, and that's really cool. So I'm gonna get into what this is for drivers though, a new location sharing feature. I'm gonna get into what it looks like, how to use it, and is it good or bad? So I'm gonna do a quick review in 1 second, but before I do, please, if you could do me one simple, small, tiny little favor and give the video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out a ton. So if you could leave the video a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And also subscribe if you want to be notified every single time I do post a video. So destroy the like button, destroy the thumbs up, destroy the subscribe button. And without further ado, I'm gonna sync up my computer right here, or sync up my phone, sorry. And I'm gonna go over the new location sharing feature. All right, let's get started. All right, so as you can see here, I have several apps on my phone, including, you know, some of the necessary ones, Starbucks, to name a couple, PayPal, you know, the good stuff. I have the Uber app, I have the Uber driver app, I have the Lyft passenger app, but today we're gonna be talking about the Lyft driver app. So I'm gonna try to not share my location with you guys because I know there are a couple of creepy viewers out there who will definitely find me. Actually, some of the guys actually said they wanted to meet me at a parking lot in Chicago. But anyways, all right, let's get started. So Lyft driver. Here we go, guys. Under my new notification, you guys saw me make the video on the LAX pickups, the new predicted high demand areas. If you have missed those videos, I already made videos on all of them. This is the new one, new. Share your location with family. Get extra peace of mind while you drive. Oh, sorry. I need to not move so I don't block the screen. Get extra peace of mind while you drive by sharing your location with your friends and family. Turn it on or off at any time from the home screen or by tapping the safety tool in the settings tab. So let's click on get started to see exactly what it is going to be about. Here we go. Share your location. Add your friends and family so they can see where you are while you drive. Let me just try to add somebody really quick. Oh, those are all my contacts. Don't look at those. Okay, I'm not gonna add anybody right now, but basically share settings. You can also turn off location from the home screen. Always share when I'm online. I'll choose when to share or never share. So essentially what it is doing is that now when you're driving, yeah, that's insane. While you're driving, you're gonna be able to share your location with your friends and family. I personally think this is amazing. Like, this is great because you guys know that there's no universal dash cam in any cars, in any rideshare cars, in any, you know, while you're driving. It's kind of dangerous, you know. You don't know where your friends and family don't know where you are. You can get a ride taken out of Timbuktu, Idaho. I get rides taken all over the place. Ontario Airport, which is like 2 hours away from me. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm not getting a ride back, you know what I mean? It's like, so this feature I think is honestly great. I don't have much more to say to this. I just wanted to get this little update video out to you guys. I know this is like a quicker video for me, but yeah, that's that's it for today's video, guys. I know, I just wanted to get this knowledge out for you. Comment down below, do you think this is good or bad? I honestly can't think of any bad things about this. It's great. This is a step in the right direction, so you know, good job on Lyft for leading the charge on this one. And anyways, guys, again, leave the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I do post videos. And always make sure to comment your thoughts on this video topic. I will talk to you all soon, guys. Have a great and amazing day. All right, peace.